أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين وهناك يا معين اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أيها المستمعون الكرام السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. In Quran chapter 3 verse 173 Surah Al-Imran, Allah is saying الذين قال لهم الناس إن الناس قد جمعوا لكم فاخشوهم وزادهم إيمانا وقالوا حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل صدق الله العظيم. So in life, many times when we do things, and regardless of we doing the right thing at the right time, at the right place, for the right people, there's still gonna be some people showing negative traits, showing just getting annoyed unnecessarily, waging wars against you unnecessarily without any reasons. Allah is saying, if people comes to you, such of those people doing the right thing, the believers, people doing good to their families, to their co-workers, to their fellow students, and they still keep on hating on you for no reasons. Allah is saying, الَّذِينَ قَالَ لَهُمُ النَّاسِ إِنَّ النَّاسَ قَدْ جَمَعُوا لَكُمْ, that people have gathered themselves against you. فَاخْشَوْهُمْ, and be afraid of them. You should get yourself prepared, because they're waging wars against you, they're planning against you, they're planning behind your backs to harm you. Allah is saying, وَزَادَهُمْ إِيمَانًا, and that threat itself, it just increases their faith. It makes them smile, and they say, if God be for me, would there be against me? That hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil, wa qalu hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. What they would say is that Allah is sufficient for me. My God is sufficient for me. It will never let bad happen to me. It will never let bad things happen to me. It will never let evil happen to me. It will not make the plans of my enemies come to pass against me. So what they keep on saying is, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil, that Allah is sufficient, Allah is capable. He can take care of the charges. He can take care of their plans. So الَّذِينَ قَالَ لَهُمُ النَّاسِ, those that people come to them and they say, إِنَّ النَّاسَ قَدْ جَمَعُوا لَكُمْ, that there are people planning behind your backs. They're planning to harm you. Do not let that scare you. Keep on holding your faith. You have a God that is there for you. Keep on saying, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.